Hello people of YouTube. It's Alex722 again. Here to do another review. Today I'm going to do on Transformers base formers. They're supposed to be Human Alliance type Transformers, but turn to like base things on the back of trucks and stuff like that. But here is Sandstorm. There was a human with this. I lost a human. The only human I have left is Sam Witwicky for Human Alliance Bumblebee. But anyway, he's a Doom Buggy. Look at this little gun. The only actual, I think I had like 2 figures of these little clip point weapons. There's his weapon, it just clips onto that. Anywhere here, it doesn't really matter. You can clip on the opposite side. I normally do like that, or maybe just like that. Let's just head out for a minute. But anyway, the colours on here are green, like a lime green, yellow, brown, black, and a bit of red, and grey, and a bit of blue. There's the front, blue headlights, lovely front for that. Back, all you can see is hands and a hinge. And then the middle, all you can see is the leg there. And underneath, all you can see is the bottom leg and the crotch piece. But anyway, let's get to transformation. Oh yeah, before I say it does roll. Just say that. Transformation, lift this up. You untab these pieces. These little pieces here. These fold up. You fold them down. Fold that up, rotate the waist, fold down the front of the car, fuck these out, open these up. This does have like a big chunky peg, not peg but piece. Detach the arm from the side, like this. There's a peg. Peg, hole. You just fold it out, rotate it around. You should hear a click. Rotate the engine pipes like that. Again with the same thing. This side. You should hear a click. And then you push on the head. At the same time, you're pushing the back piece. And there is Sandstorm. I did say there was a bit of red in this. And his head's got the red on. And the weapon, you can hold it as a normal weapon. Like that. And he's on mine, the arms are quite loose. There's a gun anyway. But normally I don't really show it with the gun. I just clip it back here. Fold it in like that. But anyway, it's a nice figure, lovely figure. The articulation for this is 360 with the top of the arm. It's a ball joint here for the next piece here, and a hinge here. You can't get it really going like that. You got a rotation at the waist, ball jointed hips. You can get that far out, and then that far back, and that far forward. Hinge at the leg, ball joint, and a swivel. And that's basically it. And then for its base form, you basically go lift that over his head again. It basically grabs its head. You fold this little hinge down. Fold that up. And basically, you got that there. You push on the seat. backwards. And then that. I think these go up or down, I'm not sure. Rotate these back, I think. I haven't done this in quite a while. I have no idea. Okay, it's you gotta rotate the little peg bit. There's like secondary peg here. You just plug into it. Sec. Might take a bit like that. And then the leg, you peg them together. Rotate the waist and do that. Or something like that. I think it was something like that, or it's something like that. I think, I'm not sure. I hate this figure. I do not like this figure. Let's just put it back into its robot form. I've already have like the peg on. I think it's this side. It's going a bit. That's it. Yeah. This side has a peg that that little peg's gonna break soon. I'm so sure of it. Okay, but anyway, nice figure. The Autobot anyway, and he's a lovely figure. If you're gonna buy him, I would buy him for any other reason. Got to swing that around. Let's put it back there. There we go. There is Transformers, Base Formers, or Human Alliance, Sandstorm. Thank you for watching the review. I know this is a bit short, but anyway, bye.